maiga on tigamba te mwaro ra bantu bakuoga bantu bakumnyoka karase ngao Simba bitamba nyakitari mbi bitamba ngwango de isobiara gose isomoke agore bitamba niji matrese kiagera no ari ngobis na remwa inkoragera komo abantu abakonya bayitire county P no eno mo chabu yeka to arusinsa mbwarenge kubuguri abantu baminto obuchafu bwarenge bosongo gaiga na busugumire mpaka naisire komuneko omugongo lakini esenge jama sabaino nko bwande seye bona baonjokire baikolire na bwa maraika baonjokire kurumaega batenga uroche obuchafu tu abatebeti bwachire bosongo omuntu inero begeto bonyiro bonene pibo songoga etobegete kimask toko clean abantu bangete ko kolegas lakini ena batebi tigeta nkobande stima eshokero ngo bakande banda bambali kwegena Mwanja nkonge gosentiga abayibigete karibu ekiri mwibere bakolega manya mpaka noena abana baino bande baringe gaiga abali naye gasiga eba onjoka badenga tebiga abana abwatu ke pipe mbwatu kobe kijimesa mwago ekere ekiri tarakoru ekere pale tayo no ninjo monyere na megete shinga na agorire gari ntaraswa omugabana na rosi yenyumba yane ntaraso omugabana taliye narenge go chansoe nganze ko bayibera gabana kibese kina motokorosi nke toros ya no monto mokende abana bana nabake bali ka baada ye miaka 10 uko bande miaka 50 kona ikira 50 nkingo korakuru 50 go ikemia onye Yesu tarairana ege ntongo bataba abantu bamite ngote nenane mbegete ebambo goto emekore eliero yakonywa yitire nyakitari yitire ebirasi byaitu byogosoma tindiko batiga lakini mmo ndenga batiga baibe nangira bonkoira nangende mutonto da na mugane tigo onde tayora tenene na inwe ninwe kamo witenena ege team ne kekere mataiga Abantu ba Kenya, I want to give you a warning. You are not going to stay there. We will occupy it. I want to assure Kenya, we are not going to entertain your nonsense. We gave you the field, and now we are telling you, go away from that place. I'm putting 20 million to start clearing that field. Because Kenya, you have a big land. Use it elsewhere. We have given you an alternative land. You cannot turn around at you are going to court. To do what? We will occupy it, and we want to send that warning. Because I know the guys of NIS, you are here. Tell them, we will occupy that land. I will make sure the field is prepared for the usage of sports. Period. You go, Ebiashara Vindevios, Kenya. And I'm talking to the Director General tonight. We had negotiations. I sent Ngatoma, I sent Omweshimi back to Nairobi. They sat down with the Commissioner General of Lands. They sorted out the issue. They were told to vacate. I can only give you a few days to leave that place. Otherwise, mobe tayari. Abantaba. Abanda barati batuwade bakore basoke mo wanja boy. And we were saying this, Kenya, you are in the national government, we can only collaborate. It's just like that. Aya bono karabatiga bono iga mima temo minute karabatiga bono iga. I want to talk to them to leave slowly to iwanaine. Igo by January, I want to agree with them. They must vacate that place for us to build. Ntubwa tigeti, igeti tokotumia nkeliye school itie. we want to make sure ngetieke kiabere keyokonya keriye stadium ya Kisi. Tuigwana ine. Igento gya kabere. Bonchari ninka. Iga ninka.